What's up guys, Tuger here, back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to be filming my 2018 bike check. It's basically, I got a whole bunch of new parts for Christmas, like bars, bars, stem, grips, stuff like that. Let's get into it. Starting off at the top, we have some ODI plastic barns with the softy long necks that I stretched out. Some of my favorite bars I've ever owned, the Sunday Chris Childs bars. As you can see, the Chris Childs Sunday top load free stem, pretty nice. I like it. It's shorter than my last stem, but it also has a higher rise. Got an FSA headset. This is actually, as you can see, it's a non-integrated headset, meaning that this part where the bearing sits in was pressed into my frame. There's like a lip there. For my frame, it's a Mirco Ensign 2013 frame. I know it's pretty old, but still running. We're doing good. Forks. Some just Mirco Ensign forks. It says Vice forks. I don't know what kind of forks these are, but I got a ODI barn in there for foot jams and stuff like that. Front wheel, Cinema VX2 front wheel. Nice matte black, female bolts. Oh, of course they're rusted. So are my spokes, stuff like that. Tires. Got some Tioga Power Block tires. Got a nice looking tread on them. For pedals, I got some Tree Bicycle pedals. Had these since my 2016 bike check. Go check that out. Has almost 10,000 views. Cranks, there's some Mirco cranks. Chain's pretty tight. Definitely pretty tight. Got a Colt 510 chain. A Mirco sprocket that was once the original blue color, but now is black. Painted it. If you're wondering, dude, you got a crack in your frame. That's not a crack. That's just some splatter. I must have hit something when I was riding on my bike somewhere. Favorite part about this bike? My tree pivotal seat. It's nice. It's slim, but it's also quite beefy. It's also kind of soft for a slim seat. Right here, got a nice mirror. Not a mirror. I don't even know what this is. I traded someone for it, but if I took it out, the seat post would end like right where that weld is, right there, where that weld is. Back wheel, we got a mirror. We got a Vice wheel. It's actually pretty loud. Can't get my wheel out. Give me one sec. Alright, we're back. I'll give you a quick little hub sound right now. My cranks. It's a nice sounding frame. Good frame. Stupid. It's a hub. Nothing much. I have some just standard Walmart tubes in here. Nothing special about tubes. But for now, I have some information I need to talk to you about. So for 2018, I'm going to start using my GoPro more. And with using my GoPro more, I'll be able to film more. And I'll have like day in the lives and stuff going up. All chest mount view with my GoPro. That'll be kind of cool to do. Also, I'm getting some new bike parts, such as frame, forks, get some new wheels, cranks, sprocket, bottom bracket, seat post. All the non-stock stuff on my bike is what I'm gonna get, along with I'm gonna get some tie bolts, because why not? Tie bolts, that'll be pretty nice to have. If I'm talking kind of odd, it's because it's kind of cold out, but it's not that bad. Also, about my chain, this thing's tight, super tight. I need to get rid of these dropouts somehow, but since it's 2013, they're welded in. That about wraps up my bike check and update for 2018. So would you look at this beauty? Absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments down below. Hit me with a like and subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. Almost at 100 subscribers and have like almost 15,000 views on my channel combined. Let's try and get that number to 20,000. Alright. It was Tuker with another video. I haven't posted in a while, but I'll be back. Don't worry. Peace.